How you doing?
Good, sir. How you doing?
Pretty good, pretty good. That guy's a cool guy, but he's just a chill guy, bro. He's got dog food on his head in Walmart. Just a chill guy, bro. Wait, Hunter is
Patricia would not be here at this one.
He looks like he wants to call me the hard R.
No.
When he looked at me, it definitely looked like it.
No.
That'll be fine, buddy. I know.
Bro, we're in a different section. We see. Oh, babe. Babe. Yes. This shit's some motherfucking fishing. This shit will get you.
I see Grandma Gloria. No, bro, I don't need something that big. And look at it, like a smaller knife.
That is. I love your hair.
See that? Thank you. Hey, where the pen? I'm about to go to Yodi Land right now. Say I won't hit a Blinkski's right now.
We're in Kansas.
You go to smoking anything. Hey, you got the bro, come here. See my shit. Dude.
Come on, man. You're already honest, bro. Come on. You seen that lady? She on her walkie-talkie looking at us like, yeah, we're about to pack you up, man.
You got a Blinkski.
Spider-Man? Come on, man. You be afraid you got a warrant and shit. Come on.
What?
You have a warrant, man.
Yeah.
You be forgetting that at some points of the day and shit.
But it's
Because hypothetically,
I don't have to tell him my name.
and you're
I didn't-
acting like most
I didn't commit
folks don't know you, man.
That's not fun.
Can you come on? No. Did he just say we got a wiener with 100%?
Bro, where even are we?
I don't even know what you're... You don't need a knife, bro. Come on.
Whoa! Alright, I can't find it. I'm going home. You think I can ride a bike with the dog food on my head?
Probably.
Hey, the jet fuel. This one's speak. Oh shit!
Come on, man.
This one's speaking to me. I don't think I can get it with the dog food on my head. I'm not gonna lie to you. Fuck, they can't stop shit. Patricia and AP, how you doing?
Good, sir. How you doing?
Pretty good, pretty good.
Yeah.
That guy's a cool guy, but he's just a chill guy, bro. He's got dog food on his head in Walmart. Just a chill guy, bro. Whoa, look at it!
Hell yeah.
Look at all this Christmas stuff.
Shit, not everybody in the Christmas spirit like we are, man. Yeah. Which is suspicious.
Just about. No, these ain't the right ones.
Oh, we don't. We can fuck around no goddamn batteries. Oh, I used to work at Casey's, man. I hope you get a new job, man. That shit sucks, man. For real, for real.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa. I don't wanna go. Where's the self track? Self track goes down there. Is that
Okay.
open? Unless I'm a blind little bee.
Why? It's alright.
Hello.
It's okay to have guys who don't know how to do it.
Hey, yo.
Okay.
So how should I place it? Should I just throw
Maybe
it up?
just scan your head.
Really? Yo, no way. No way.
Pull out the racks.
You know they're gonna fucking ask to see my receipt.
But why you over there? He can watch it.
I ain't gonna ask you. The interview is crazy.
Like, he would definitely
Ask him, are you a YN? Do you protect the Walmart? Are you a retired YN?
He just might.
Hey, that we got somebody else.
Alright,
But honestly, it's gonna look like come on. It's gonna look like I'm
promise we just pay for it. I know it's on his head. We pay for it.
I was about to say that.
We don't want you to pack us up, man.
Hey, you don't give no fuck. Oh my lord, Family Dollar, they got the dog driving. Oh my god.